join you. I will make good money. I don't fit collect anything less than 200 million.
Hey, my people, breaking news. Abba don't confess, oh, Abba don't confess. Abba don't confess, say, now 200 million I collect for Obaseki hand. 200 million I collect for Obaseki hand. The money don't they go now. I go put the video for na make una listen. The money don't they finish now. He say you want go model Okpeworo side. Abba don't chop the money finish. No say no they work with his wife. The money don't almost finish now. So he come they like, come they talk and say you want come go APC. But where you dey go for APC? They don't say you be Oriyan woman. They no fit take you for there. Not be for mouth. They will never allow you to enter there. 200 million now you collect for Obaseki hand. It okay. Now he make he can't dey davant oh, he can't dey shout, not the way, not the talk. Because the money they there. He talk money things for this video where I go put for now my people make una listen. He say if you just tell Model Okpeworo now say make it just drive everybody where they make drive they come out in one enter. He say go do one sharp. Can you imagine? For your mind, after everything where you don't do, where people don't see, APC will never take you. What is the one use it to do? You will not sabi do politics. You will not know how to do politics. People where you will do politics, they know say they know they use until they bina. They know say they know they go do one where the gay enter. If you not enter, they go from this side go the other side. How many of your people will be so now do politics together where they for PDP? Where be say they can't see say they can't get ACP, they can't go the other side. Then now we they see some of them they do video now, they follow Okpeworo because now so they say they do politics. Not be you where carry politics you put for head, come and buy here to the extent then they throw stone to where they not supposed to throw stone go meet. Because of you, because you don't know how to do politics. Hey, 200 million now Obaseki give you. Now wow, not even not talk for this video. Talk many things for inside the video. I go put on for now. Bad. Money will be say you can I make you come the davant, you come the, you know they look back, you know they look front because Obaseki don't give you. Now remember that time where be say come UK. Now remember say if with Obaseki they not come, you know, you come they use started they throw mouth. Now remember now, come they throw mouth. So they can't tell him may come back home. When he go, now remember, when he go, they can't put money for his pocket. When he come back, he can't they say Obaseki they try. Oh. Now the mouth where be saying tell us say it can never be like it can never be like abroad. Now that math they can still they use until they tell us say Obaseki they try. He's the best governor. He's this one for good 8 years. Now Obaseki they there. If Abat want talk now, I go say if you see I don't know good. Who they power before? No be una now una dey. So you they plan to go to APC. They not take you, go and walk. Go and walk. They not go take you. Not come they just tie. If you just tell and say nah, Model Okpeworo, I want to work with you. You go just throw away people. People will be say work, come low, you go come throw away them. Come carry you will be say no gberang. He will never do it. He will never. It not be like Obaseki will be betrayer. He not go do anna. You think saying everybody now be like Obaseki will be betrayer. He talk many things for say yo. He said this Abba don't they beg money. He don't they beg money. They tell you. He say na he fast. Make them they send money. If he talk say he want put the account for live video. Make them come they put money. But he no do. Anybody wey no say he go send that money. I want to what send. If someone send money, come give her. Make take go they go. Say when you take go holiday, you want go enjoy for na care. He say na una na they work for. So you they work for them. And you collect 200 million and you they work for them. You consider for UK. Now wow. Which time our people will take wake up for sleep? Which time they go tell no say you just dey brainwash them, you just dey wash their brain, you are just watching it. Now your pocket now you dey fight put now. Now your pocket now you don't even care for anybody. Who you care for? Like say you care for Edo people for real. You for their grants, you don't come out. You for there. You for they show us many things. Where it be say Obaseki they do this one, you go give them. Obaseki do this one. Obaseki do the other one. You go really do one. But you know they do one. Where people go bring and come out. Now you go come the verse. With they see at that time now. Now it make you with say brother Mike can't get misunderstanding that time. Obazee. So you don't they beg money. Money don't finish. You don't chop and you don't disguangwana. So you want to go APC. They will never open that door for you. They're not trying, because if Mode will try, many people will go come for them. They many because why? You know sabi, you don't know how to do politics. Because you know can expect now say people will be say they will there for Mode you say they go drive all of the commodity, go come put you because now say Obako Guno. Make I put the video for now, make una listen. So people will go do 8 hours, 10 hours. They'll come pack the money, come give you. They'll say me you go holiday. they'll go the sockman for Fabrica. Wow. After the 200 million, we be say you collect. Wow. I don't say some of our people, their brain get as a bit. Then they quit. They wash their brain well. Okay, I put the video. Make una listen to it here, but I don't confess so. 200 million I collect. He said because if he come, say he want go join Mondo Bevel, he no go collect less than because now the money will be say collect for Obaseki, then he go still collect for Mondo Bevel. Who tell you say that one go drop 1 cent? Oh, he not go drop. Oh, bye. Make I put the video for now.
I will make more money if I call Obewolo today and say I want to join you. I will make good money. I don't feel collect anything less than 200 million. From Obewolo say, I want the camp to APC now. Others they don't mind that they can't see them, mama. They're mama prick. Mama prick, they call them mama prick. Mama hate, mama prick. They don't mind. They also, they are content creators. Me, I understand this matter where police check me today. When they extradite me, okay, they never want to extradite me. If you not carry me to Nigeria, carry me go any police station, carry me go jail. My people will pull me out. Another about to rise. I will mobilize for my release. When they UK deport me go Nigeria, my fans will raise money. They will take me to another country. You know the network of progressive Nigerians, progressive Edos, when they work with and they play. And they play. I tell my wife, say relax. Allah will show. My people now they will sponsor this birthday, relax. And now much they come this visa. These are what they say. Now billionaires are full year. Billionaires go so many times. They come down for this hotel. Now we be a common. Now we will be a common. They don't say